Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your grammar class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 8 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children, chapter number 4, Tenses of Verbs, Future. So यहाँ हम सीखने वाले हैं future tenses के बारे में. सबसे पहले आता है simple future tense, will और shall. We use will and sometimes shall to talk about actions in the future. Future के actions को discuss करेंगे हम will shall के साथ. The short form of I will is I, double L. The negative form of will is want. Okay? Will is used to show a quick decision made at the moment of speaking. जैसे कि I'm thirsty, I will make some lemonade. The phone is ringing, I'll answer it. To express refusal, okay, negative form में want use करेंगे. She won't join the dance competition. They won't agree to our proposal. Give your opinion or belief about the future. आपको कोई opinion देनी हो, belief के बारे में बताना हो. I think it will rain tomorrow. I don't think India will lose this match. To offer help. Don't worry, I'll carry your bag. You look tired. I'll make some tea for you. To make a promise. कोई promise आपने करना हो. I will never forget your kindness. We will support you in every situation. To request politely. Politely आपने कोई request करनी हो. Will you please shut the door? Will you help me with my homework? Okay? यहाँ पर एक note है children. Traditionally shall was used with I or we instead of will. But today will is more common. Shall I, shall we. We use shall I and shall we in questions to state an offer or a suggestion. Okay, that is being made. Examples, shall I make a sandwich for you? Shall we go for a picnic? Okay, आपने कोई offer देना है किसी को, कोई suggestion जो कि आप बना दे चुके हैं या आपके दिमाग में है, उसको आप इस तरह से shall I, shall we कह के लिखेंगे. Going to. We use going to when we talk about something we plan to do. जो हम करने वाले हैं उसको हम बता रहे हैं अगर. और when there are signs, जब वहां पर कुछ signs हो that something will happen soon, कि कुछ बहुत जल्दी होने वाला है, तब हम going to के साथ sentence को form करते हैं. We use going to talk about an intention or plan already decided. I'm going to join a swimming class next week. We are going to buy a new washing machine. We use going to predict the future, okay, when evidence is clear. Look at those black clouds. It's going to rain soon. He isn't wearing a helmet. He is going to get into trouble with the police, okay. अब difference देखेंगे आप will में और going to में. Will हम use करेंगे decision made at the moment of speaking. बोलने के टाइम अगर हमने कोई डिसीजन ले लिया है तो हम उसे विल से शो करेंगे. आई एम हंग्री, आई विल ऑर्डर अ पिज्जा नाउ. गोइंग टू डिसीजन और प्लान मेड अर्लियर बिफोर हैंड. ओके, कहने से पहले वो प्लान आप बना चुके हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स दिस संडे. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस विद अ फ्यूचर मीनिंग. वी यूज द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस टू टॉक अबाउट अ फ्यूचर प्लान और अरेंजमेंट दैट इज ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड एंड प्रिपेयर्ड. जैसे कि माई कजन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम कैनेडा नेक्स्ट वीक. ये प्लान जो है ये ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड है. सो हम इसको फ्यूचर को दिखाने के लिए हमने सेंटेंस बनाया है प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में. द कंपनी इज लॉन्चिंग अ न्यू मोबाइल फोन नेक्स्ट मंथ. प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस टू शो फ्यूचर इवेंट्स. कैसे हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल का यूज करेंगे? We use the present simple tense when we talk about official timetables, schedules or calendar events that are fixed and unchangeable. जैसे कि the train leaves at 9:30 AM. अब हम कल की भी बात कर रहे हैं तो हम ऐसे ही कहेंगे. Holi falls in March this year. The Republic Day falls on a Sunday this year. So ये unchangeable है. तो इसको हम प्रेजेंट सिंपल में लिख रहे हैं, बट ये है फ्यूचर इवेंट्स. ओके, नाउ फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस फॉर्म विल बी प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. वी यूज द फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस टू डिनोट एन एक्शन that will be in progress at a particular time in the future. फ्यूचर में एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम तक वो काम हो रहा होगा, तो उन्हें हम शो करेंगे फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के थ्रू. एग्जाम्पल, एट 9 PM tonight I will be watching my favorite movie. Next summer they will be traveling across Europe. The future continuous tense can also show something that is certain or expected to happen. Okay, examples, my elder sister will be getting married next month. Our team will be playing in the finals next month. Sometimes the present continuous tense can be used instead of future continuous for personal arrangements. Okay, कई बार आप future continuous की जगह present continuous का use करते हैं. Example, she is leaving for London tomorrow instead of will be leaving. Okay, ये क्यों करते हैं आप? For personal arrangements. Future perfect tense पर आते हैं. Form है will have plus past participle form of verb. The future perfect tense shows an action. एक ऐसे एक्शन को ये दिखाता है that will be completed, जो पूरा हो जाएगा before a specific time in the future. फ्यूचर में एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम से पहले. एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे, by the time you arrive I will have finished my homework. The train will have left before we reach the station. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस की फॉर्मेशन है will have been plus ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस शोज एन एक्शन. ये एक ऐसे एक्शन को दिखाता है that will start, जो शुरू हो जाएगा before a future movement, एक फ्यूचर मूवमेंट से पहले, continue up to that movement and may still be going on. She will have been studying all night when you wake up. By next July, I will have been working at this company for 10 years. So children, let's practice now. Fill in the blanks with will or the going to form. Okay? So look at those black clouds. It is going to rain soon. I forgot to post this letter. I will go to the post office right now. Ramesh is tired. He will rest for a while. Don't worry, I will help you with your homework. Okay? Rest part, children, you will do yourself. Fill in the blanks with the past perfect continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So आपको यहाँ पर past perfect continuous tense का use करना है. The baby had been crying for an hour when the nurse gave him milk. She had been suffering from malaria when I visited her last Sunday. I had been sleeping for over an hour when the power went off. Bob had been coming to school late for a week when finally the principal called him to his office. Rest part, children, you will do yourself. Write sentences to describe what you will be doing at the following times. Okay? So आप इन times पर, ये जो आपको यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, इन पर क्या कर रहे होंगे? So आपको ये बताना है, जैसे कि at 10 PM today. At 10 PM today I will be learning my lesson. ओके तो मैं अपना लेसन याद कर रहा हूँगा. इसी तरह से आपने इन सेंटेंसेस को बनाना है. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect continuous forms of the verb given in brackets. So आपको यहाँ पर future perfect continuous form से sentences बनाने हैं. By next summer, the children will have been studying in this school for 5 years. When the guest arrived, the chef will have been preparing meals since early morning. By the time we reach Delhi, we will have been traveling for more than 12 hours. By December, they will have been building their new house for over 6 months. Okay? Rest part you will complete yourself. put the verbs in bracket into the future continuous tense और future perfect tense. चलिए start करते हैं. Don't phone me between 7 and 8. I will be watching my favorite show then. By the end of this week, I will have finished all the chapters of my story. By the end of this week, I will have finished all the chapters of my history book. At this time tomorrow, they will be traveling to Shimla by bus. Rest part, children, you will do yourself. And this chapter ends here. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.